Hi there, it's Nikki Tyler with NikkiTylerHomes.com. Before we get into the good stuff, I need you to make sure you press that subscribe button down below. You know which one I'm talking about. This way, you can get all the inside scoop on what's going on in the St. Pete and Pinellas County areas. I have a lot of great content I'm going to share with you. I'm super excited about it. But first, let's talk. I know you're planning on selling your house. It's no cakewalk, especially if you're thinking about selling it by yourself. Oh my gosh. We all know, if you do it without any expert help, that means you've got to handle everything on your own, start to finish. And trust me, it's a handful. People who had just sold their house on their own said these are the most difficult tasks they've encountered. The number one headache is figuring out the right price. And that's because it requires an in-depth knowledge on what houses are going for nearby. Selling the house within their desired time frame, okay? Now, those two things could be related. I don't know. I think it is. So, for example, let's think about it. If you overprice your house, that could take longer to sell. And if you price it too low, it can sell fast, but then you're throwing away tens of thousands of dollars and nobody wants to do that, right? Finally, it's also understanding and performing all the proper paperwork. And think about all the time and effort and stress hiring a real estate professional could save you. You can contact me through my website, NikkiTylerHomes.com. And make sure you also like this video and leave behind a comment, please.